Close your eyes gently. Keep the smile on your face, very important. Don't forget that. We have forgot our breath in day-to-day life. So take a moment here and try to observe your breath. How your breath is getting in and going out. How your breath is getting inside your body. How your breath is going out of your body. Try to observe the sound of your breath now. Just observe whatever the sound it may be. Try to observe whether your breath is thin or thick. If it is a thin, you won't get any sound of your breath. It's very light sound. If it is a thick, you can feel the sound of the breath a little bit louder. Be aware of that. Try to observe the length of your breath. Sometimes your inhalation is longer, sometimes your exhalation is longer, sometimes your exhalation is shorter, sometimes your inhalation is shorter. At this present moment, try to identify the length of your breath. However it is, just be aware of it. As you are familiar with the practice of Nadi Shuddhi, alternate nostril breathing, we're gonna imitate the same practice but without using our hands. Imagine breath is getting inside through your left nostril, going all the way between your eyebrow center and coming out of your right nostril. Again, breath is getting inside through your right nostril, reaching all the way to the eyebrow center, coming out of your left nostril. The breath is getting inside through your left nostril. It goes all the way until the eyebrow center and slowly comes out through your right nostril. Again, breath is getting inside through your right nostril, going all the way between the eyebrow center and coming out of your left nostril. Continue. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now imagine breath is getting inside through both the nostril, goes all the way between the eyebrow center, and as the breath is getting out, it is separating equally through both the nostril and coming out of both the nostril. Breath is going in separately through both the nostril, merging between the eyebrow center. Again by separating, coming out of both the nostrils. Continue. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. 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 Now, as you all are familiar with the Brahmari sound, that is humming bee sound, we are going to imitate the sound of Makara. Along with that, rhythmically chant the sound of Om behind the Makara. Mentally, repetition of the sound Om behind the sound of Makara, and try to match the frequency of the sound Ma. Do with me. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Continue. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Slowly Stop producing the humming sound. Keep your eyes remains closed. Now begin to listen very carefully to any sounds which comes to you internally and spontaneously. Begin to listen now. After some time, you may begin to hear second sound in the background of the first sound. It may be sound of the door, it may be sound of the fan, it may be sound of the motor, or people talking. It can be anything. Disregard the first sound that you heard and hear the second sound, the new sound. Disregard the first sound that you heard before and hear the second sound. Be with the new sound. Again, one more new sound will come. It may be the first sound which you heard before or completely new sound. But whatever it is, go on listening only to the new sound that is appearing. For each new sound comes, tune into it and try to sync yourself with it. Disregard the old sound and tune into the new sound. Continue in this way for few minutes. Slowly be aware of your body and the breath. Visualize the floor and surroundings around you. Be aware of your body. Be aware of your body. Be aware of your body. Chin down. With few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Namaste everyone. Practice this one, it's very simple and everybody can do this. Maybe initially you may feel your mind is wandering more, but slowly your mind will come under your control. Nothing gonna come in one day. You need to be persistent and keep practicing every day. Today you start with 2 minutes, tomorrow you start with 5 minutes, day after tomorrow start with 10 minutes. So like that way, keep on increasing the duration, and in the same way, your meditation also becomes very deep. In meditation, I don't know whether you will get benefits or not, but I'm sure you will lose more. You might be wondering, yeah? Definitely you will lose the all negativities in you. Stay healthy, stay hygiene, stay blessed, keep practicing regularly. Namaste everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, practicing with me. Keep practicing it. If you have any comments, any questions, any feedbacks, feel free to comment below and I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much.